Hey wonderful you, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today I'm going to do, I guess, kind of like a straight jiggle pour over a black base. So I've already put my black around the edges. This is going to be mainly black with some color across like that, but then I'll stretch it out and we'll see what happens. So color-wise, I've got cadmium yellow, cadmium orange, cadmium red, turquoise blue, and white. Then my black. These are all Liquitex painting colors, not paintings. So I'm hoping my white isn't going to do its funky thing. But I thought, well, we'll give it a chance on a painting without silicone and see how it does. I'm just stirring to get some air bubbles out. Okay, so I'm just going to pour into this cup, layer it that way, try and do this quick. I've let my paint sit for about, 4 hours? We'll see how many layers I can get out of this. I know the thinner you make the layers, the more chance of muddiness, but I think these colors, even when they muddy, especially the yellow, orange, and red, they'll give a nice hue, obviously. And I'm spilling a little bit on my canvas, so I'm gonna come in front. Hopefully you can still see. So I'm trying to remember how much paint I mixed up. For the black, 75 grams of black, 150 grams of my pouring medium. And then for the colors, they are 30 grams of color, 45 grams of pouring medium. My pouring medium is 60% water, 60% glue, 40% water, and that's white craft glue that I use. I'm just making a huge mess here. I've got enough for one more layer after this go round. Just notice that my hand is raising up, so you probably can't see what I'm doing. I'm sorry. That's what it's looking like so far in there. Looking pretty good. Don't think I need to scrape my cups. I got a lot of paint here. I'm going to be filling up this cup quite nicely, actually. Nice bright colors. Okay, but let's keep our fingers crossed that the white doesn't do its weird stuff. Or if it does, it looks really good. Because that would actually be pretty cool if I got like a cloud pearl effect. Okay, there is my cup. I'm putting them over there. Let's get these ones out of the way. So again, I'm going to try and go like that. I'm going to do that first. Let me get some paper towels, because normally I have paper towels ready to go, and I didn't do that. I was so excited to try out my idea. All right, let's spread this out. I'm gonna have to give the black a torch because there's still a lot of bubbles. So I'm a little sad about that. Definitely thought I had waited long enough. Guess not. The whole canvas covered. So what's everyone working on right now? Hopefully something fun. Maybe some spring stuff. I got to do some spring crafts. Just haven't come up with an idea that's really got me excited. So if you've been waiting for spring crafts, that's what the problem's been. I'm sorry. Crafting block. Like how sometimes you have painter's block. Okay. Knocking stuff over. Big one right there. Come on. That's better. Where are my tweezers? Oh, I'm not seeing my tweezers. Oh, I found them. There. That was a troublemaker. Ooh. There's a little white spot right there. Okay, so I'm going to start there, go to there. I'm going to give it a jiggle. Now, the question is, do I pinch on this side or pinch on that side where I poured in? What do you think? Remember, we started with yellow, we ended with white. We will pinch on this side, best I can. I got to make a bit more room, because I have a feeling I'm going to make quite the mess. Let's give me one more sec. Move my used cups out of the way. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to start off the corner and then move onto the canvas. because I don't want blobs of I think I need smaller wiggles. Yeah, I've got a lot of paint here. Now we're getting muddy. Over the edge. Well, that looks pretty neat. I wasn't super straight. Why am I not surprised? Okay, I'm just gonna let that sit. Actually, I might give it a torch because I can see some more bubbles on top. No silicone, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna tilt kind of like this. Oh, we'll see what happens. Oh, I got a couple cells. Not what I was trying to do. I just want to open this up a bit. Let's come back. Yeah, I probably should have done not as thin layers because my last layer was a lot thicker. Get over there a little bit. It's dropping out of my hands. Over that edge. come back. It looks very... Oh, I don't know the word. I can't think of the word. Give me the word in the comments. I was going to say psychedelic. That's not the word I was looking for. I'm going to stretch out a bit more this way. The cells are very tiny, so we don't have to worry about stretching them out too bad. I just want to try and get some of the black to come over. Actually, I might go all the way over on this side. Oh. What do we think? Really lost the blue. I thought it was going to be the craziest part. I kind of feel like taking the black off that corner. Sorry. I'm totally going to overstretch this. But now that black just looks out of place. There it goes. Come on, come on, come on. These take so long. There. Oh, wow. Just trying to get the paint back in the center area. Yeah, completely lost my black. And black was the most dominant color I had on there. Okay, let's give it one more torch. Get rid of some more bubbles because I can see them. Dropping stuff on the floor. I'll get it after. Okay. Couple bubbles will have to pop after. There's a big one right there. I'll do that off camera. Well, what do we think? My white didn't do the weird thing, so I'm really happy with that. Wish I would have made the layers at the bottom a little thicker, because these have blended. It still looks really neat. Like, really neat in that corner. It pops there, and there's not a lot of white there. But then we have the white there. So I think this one is actually, it's really growing on me. I'm very happy with it. I hope you like it. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.